Summer's almost here, and we're all rushing to get that perfect sun-kissed look with a little help from beta-carotene. We all apply beta-carotene exteriorly, only on our skin. But did you know that this powerhouse for tanning, it's not exactly what we all know? Yes, it's easy to get caught up in chasing external beauty, often forgetting what's going on inside our bodies until something feels off. This video is your eye-opener. While beta-carotene can give you that gorgeous tan and boost your overall health, it still has to be done with caution if you are not aware that beta-carotene might be a risk for you. What I mean? Stick with me and you will understand by the end of this video. By the way, did you know these 5 facts? 1. Beta-carotene is actually turning into vitamin A in your body. 2. Beta-carotene can promote better vision and eye health, a strong immune system, healthy skin, and healthy mucous membranes. 3. Beta-carotene can give you a better skin glow tanning. 4. Beta-carotene supplements are not advised to be used by smokers. 5. Studies have linked beta-carotene to certain types of chronic diseases and cancers. So in this video, we will clarify if you can use beta-carotene supplements, and if yes, then how to naturally take advantage of the time spent in the sun. However, if you're not advised to take beta-carotene supplements, then we have for you some amazing tips for natural tanning and whole body nourishment with beta-carotene for both beauty and health. Get ready to be surprised and hit 2 birds with 1 stone. And to add, we will also give some amazing and easy recipes to help you implement all the tips and information provided in this video. Hey friends, welcome back to Roots Guard. So, what is beta-carotene? This is an organic red-orange plant pigment found in foods we eat. It transforms into vitamin A within the liver and intestines after consumption. This conversion is vital, as vitamin A is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining our health through its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to shield cells from harm. It accounts for approximately 50% of the vitamin A needed in the human diet. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in preserving the health of our skin, immune system, and vision, along with eye health. Beta-carotene, a type of carotenoid, acts as an antioxidant, offering protection against the cell damage caused by free radicals and may also reduce inflammation within the body. Research has indicated that beta-carotene could reduce the risk of specific diseases, maintain lung health during the aging process, and potentially slow down cognitive decline, which includes challenges with learning new information, memory, or making significant life choices. Beta-carotene also boosts the production of melanin, which combined with good exposure to the sun, it helps to make the skin more radiant. Begin consuming beta-carotene at the first sign of changing weather to allow your body time to strengthen its immune system and maintain this regimen throughout the entire season. To enhance a natural sun-kissed glow, consider integrating the following nutrients both in your diet and through external skincare products. Vitamin E, an effective antioxidant, also facilitates the uptake and storage of beta-carotene in the liver. Lycopene, a type of carotenoid found in tomatoes, red peppers, watermelons, and more, which helps prevent sun-induced redness. Lutein is known for its ability to shield the skin from UV damage. Pantothenic acid, celebrated for its moisturizing benefits, aids in locking moisture into the skin, thus improving hydration. While there isn't a specific daily recommended intake for beta-carotene, consuming at least 5 servings of various fruits and vegetables daily can help ensure adequate beta-carotene levels. However, for vitamin A, women should aim for 700 micrograms per day, while men should target 900 micrograms. In supplements, though, adults can take up to 7 milligrams of beta-carotene daily. Here, it is important to note that a few studies have found that people who take beta-carotene supplements may have a higher risk for conditions such as cancer and heart disease. That's why it is always better to opt for natural organic food with the relevant nutrients rather than for supplements. And that's why we are here, to give natural remedies and tips for this. Also, please consider that pregnant women or those planning to become pregnant are advised against taking vitamin A supplements. Similarly, smokers or individuals with a history of smoking or asbestos exposure are cautioned against consuming large quantities of beta-carotene supplements over extended periods. Large amounts of vitamin A can be harmful for anybody, but if consumed from beta-carotene sourced natural foods rather than supplements, the body will only convert the amount of vitamin A it needs. Consuming beta-carotene-rich foods is deemed safe, so it's a much safer way of taking advantage of beta-carotene and vitamin A. Foods high in beta-carotene include carrots, broccoli, spinach, sweet potatoes, and red and yellow bell peppers. The bottom line is that beta-carotene has many health benefits, and since it is found in plant foods, it can be satisfying to know that you are consuming something created completely by nature. Now let me share some incredible recipes that will enrich you with beta-carotene, benefiting not just your external appearance but your internal health as well. Recipe number 1. 1 medium mango, 4 pineapple rounds, 1 inch thick, 1 medium sweet potato, 10 small carrots or 4, 5 large ones, a small slice of lemon. This vibrant mixed juice is packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants, among other nutrients, making it excellent for your skin, eyesight, and immune function. By consuming these fruits and vegetables in their raw form, you benefit from instant nourishment with no health risks. To achieve a golden tan while maintaining smooth, hydrated skin, it's beneficial to take action externally as well. While a nutritious diet plays a crucial role in skin health, selecting the right skincare products and moisturizers can also provide optimal skin hydration and care, particularly after spending extended periods under the sun. Recipe number 2, homemade tanning oil recipe. Ingredients: 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons avocado oil, 1/2 teaspoon red raspberry seed oil, 1/2 teaspoon carrot seed oil, 10 drops of sandalwood. Essential oil, this is optional, 10 drops of lavender essential oil, this is also optional, 1 teaspoon bronze mica powder, also optional. Craft your own hydrating and natural suntanning oil that's simple to prepare and boasts a delightful aroma. Achieve a deeper tan and radiant, sun-kissed skin with responsible sun exposure. Combine all the oils and mica powder thoroughly and transfer into a dark glass bottle for storage. Should you prefer to use coconut oil instead of olive oil, opt for a jar for storage since the pump mechanism might not function properly. In conclusion, we may think that beta-carotene is okay for us and use it a lot during summer periods to achieve that amazing tanning. We don't even know that we might have bad outcomes in the long run. Therefore, since beta-carotene is undeniably vital for our overall health and for achieving that enviable natural tan, we better opt for natural resources of this carotenoid and avoid any possible health risks in long run. It is true that its role in boosting melanin production, coupled with the right amount of sun exposure, plays a significant part in enhancing our skin's radiance. Today we gave you 2 natural options on how to take advantage of bet-carotene in the most organic way possible, rather than from supplements and processed products. I trust this video has been beneficial to you, and now you can have a happy and health-boosting summer. Be sure to check out more of our videos and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next videos that can benefit your knowledge of health remedies. Until next time, I'm saying goodbye. Thanks for watching.